One might say we manufacture big tanks for fuel, water, and other liquids. We love heavy metal. We bend, weld, coat, all to make sure our customers get the tank they desire. Using an expert's eye, we check every detail. And combine the latest in technology with the craftsmanship of our team. Depending on the needs, the tanks are given special coatings, like our unique fiberglass coating, which offers excellent durability, so that even after many years, the tanks are just as robust as on the first day. But that's not all. We also have subtle tones, people who listen, understand projects, and figure out ways to get them done. Kammerer Tankbau says everything's possible. This means we plan customized tanks to elegantly solve even the most difficult projects. When the tank is ready, we deliver it to the customer and place it precisely. Since 1946, our tanks have had one mission: protecting what is valuable and make possible what we love. And they will do so for a long time to come. Kammerer Tankbau. www.kammerer.it